Gee, Vrangashe, so you will be happy to know we were finished with long division today, and now it's on to an even more beautiful topic, percentages. So we're going to spend the next few weeks just focusing on these. And I know maybe last year you missed them when we were in lockdown, the first lockdown, but you've really improved since September. And once we have these chapters done as well, you'll be flying at them. So don't worry about them a bit. So first, it's page 93 on our Planet Maths. What percentage of each shape is coloured and white? So that's pretty basic. We have 100 squares. So for example, the first one, coloured equals 3%, white equals 97%. And obviously, when you add the coloured and the white, it'll add up to 100%. So you'll be able to do all of B. Then for C, it asks us, write each percentage as a fraction. Okay, now if we're doing these, okay, keep it pretty basic. So we will have, for example, 19%. If I'm showing you 19%, can you all see this? 19% equals 19 over 100. Just put it directly over 100. That can't be simplified anymore. But if you had something like 20%, obviously that would be 20 over 100, but you can simplify that. That would become 2 over 10, which would become 1/5. So if you can simplify, do simplify. Another one, you might have 43%. Obviously 43 over 100, can't simplify that, so it'll stay as it is. Is that all right? Okay, and then part D, so you'll fly through that. I'm going to give you all of that because you'll fly through that. Part D as well, you'll fly through. How much less than 100% is each of these test results? So for example, if they say 75%, well, that's 25%. So your answer would be 25%. 70% here is a question, that's obviously 30%, so on and so forth. You're going to fly through those ones. Absolutely fly. So I'm going to give you all of B, C, D there. Okay, you're well able for it. Now, I had a look at today's mental maths as well, and they're not too bad at all. You're really doing well at mental maths, so there should be no bother to you now at all. So we have 6 plus minus 2. Plus and a minus come together, minus is always going to win. So that's basically 6 minus 8. So if I'm up here at plus 6, and I go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where do I end up? You tell me. Question 4, 31 over 9, and they want it as a mixed number. So 31 divided by 9 is 3 remainder 4, and it's all going to be over 9. So you'll be able to figure that one out too. Question 5, they want to know how many of these B boxes fit into A box. So you need to find the volume of each, and volume is 3D, so it's 1, 2, 3. So 6 by 2 is 12, by 2 is 24, so that guy's 24. The small guy here is 2 by 1 by 1, which is 2. How many times does 2 go into 24? Should be well able for that. Question 9 as well, just might look a little different. You're given something like this, they ask you what A is. So we know that this guy here is 75, this angle. This here is a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. All three of these will add up to 180, but you don't even need to worry about that actually. That plus that is going to be 90 degrees. So if that's 75, how much will that be? You should be well able for that. And then question 17 asks the sum of the prime numbers less than 10. Okay, so only clue I'll give you here, 2 is our first prime number. So, and then add up all the prime numbers less than 10. I think we might have had something like that recently, but give it a go. Slán live, guys, give it your best shot, and I'll talk to you later.